Are you ready for a phone that will change everything? Can a single device really replace your phone and tablet? I think it's time to find out. The Samsung Z Fold7 is a game changer, a foldable Android phone designed for tech-savvy mobile users who want it all. This phone solves the problem of having to choose between a phone and a tablet, and it does so in style. With its sleek design and robust features, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile experience. It's a powerful device with some amazing specs. Let's break them down. The 200MP camera is incredible for capturing life's moments, whether you're taking photos of stunning landscapes or recording videos of memorable events. The 8-inch screen is huge and perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games. With 512GB storage, you can store all your files and apps, and never have to worry about running out of space. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor makes it super fast, allowing you to switch between apps seamlessly and enjoy a lag-free experience. Corning Gorilla Glass protects the screen from scratches, giving you peace of mind when handling the device. And with its long battery life, you don't have to worry about running out of juice, even with heavy usage. Imagine using this phone in your daily life. You're on your way to work, and you can watch a video on the big screen, enjoying your favorite show or movie in stunning quality. Then, when you get to the office, you can fold it up and use it as a regular phone, making it easy to take calls, send texts, or check emails. You can also use it to take notes, edit documents, or browse the web, all on a device that fits comfortably in your pocket. The possibilities are endless, and it's amazing to think about how much you can accomplish with just one device. In the real world, this phone can be a total game changer. For example, if you're a student, you can use it to take notes in class, watch video lectures, and work on projects, all on a single device. If you're a professional, you can use it to stay connected with colleagues, access important documents, and make presentations, all while on the go. The Samsung Z Fold7 is also perfect for travelers, who can use it to navigate unfamiliar cities, watch movies during long flights, and stay in touch with loved ones back home. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Samsung Z Fold7. The best things about it are the huge screen and long battery life, which make it perfect for entertainment and productivity. The only downside is the price, which may be a bit steep for some users. However, if you're looking for a device that can replace both your phone and tablet, and provide a seamless and powerful user experience, then the Samsung Z Fold7 is definitely worth considering. I give it an 8 out of 10, and I think it's a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile experience. The link to buy the Samsung Z Fold7 is in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in learning more. If you liked this review, please give it a like, and if you want to see more tech reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos coming out all the time, and we'd love for you to join us. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a new device, we've got you covered, and we can't wait to share our latest reviews and insights with you.